Welcome to our Cambridge IGCSE Biology series. In this video, we're going to continue with the first topic, characteristics and classifications of living organisms. We will focus on 1.2, concept and uses of classification systems. If you haven't watched the first video, characteristics of living organisms, I'd recommend you watch it now. You can find the link in the description or just move to the previous video in the playlist. Before we get started, this video is tailored to the Cambridge IGCSE 0610 format, both the A* to C and the 9 to 1 level. However, if you are studying Pearson Edexcel or Oxford AQA, you can still use this video to understand the concept. However, it is advisable to cross-check with your syllabus just to be sure. So without further ado, here we go. By the end of this video, you should be able to state how organisms are classified, describe a species, describe the binomial system, know what are dichotomous keys, imagine a world with millions of species but no way to organize them. This is why we need classification. Organisms can be classified into groups by the features that they share. Some examples include fish, mammals, birds, and amphibians. So, what is a species? A species is a group of organisms that can reproduce to produce fertile offspring. This is a definition you should be able to recall, so I recommend memorizing it for your exam. The binomial system of naming species is an internationally agreed system in which the scientific name of an organism is made up of two parts showing the genus and species. Binomial names are always typed in italics to declare that they are Latin. The genus, the first part, always starts with a capital letter and it is followed by the species starting with a lowercase letter. The system of classification follows a chronological sequence: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. The lower down the order, the more closely related two organisms are. That's a lot to remember, but here's a simple trick. To make it easier for you, we use the mnemonic King Philip came over for good soup. This way it is easier to remember the sequence. A dichotomous key follows a branching into two approach, by presenting two descriptions at a time from which you need to choose. To use a dichotomous key effectively, start with a single organism. Follow the statements from the beginning, using provided information or images to answer. Continue until no statements remain, revealing the organism's name. Repeat the process for each new organism until all are identified. Let's take a look at an example from a past paper question. Plant species can be identified using a dichotomous key. The figure below shows the leaves from 6 plant species, A to F. Use the key to identify the species shown. Write the letter of each species, A to F, in the correct box in the key. Okay, so we use the key to identify. Let's start by identifying leaf A. Does the leaf have a smooth unlobed outline? Yes, it does. So we move to 2. Is the leaf more than twice as long as it is wide? We can see from the picture that that's not the case. So A is Cydonia oblonga. Now following the same method, we solve for all the other leaves. Pause the video and have a go yourself. Alright, so I have given you the answers here. Next up, we cover supplement 1.2, concept and uses of classification systems. This video will be for those aiming for the extended part. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more IGCSE biology content. See you in the next video.